Hey guys, it's Frank Del Rio with the FDR Show. Welcome back. Today we're in the city of Anaheim. I got a special treat for you. We just wrapped a property shoot, and so of course we're here at our favorite carniceria, La Reina Market. We're not here to pick up food to cook. They actually have a full kitchen in the back that makes all of your favorite Mexican dishes. So we're gonna show you a little bit of that, and we're also gonna be talking about how open houses are really a thing of the past when it comes to real estate. Let's go. The FDR Show is all about showing you amazing food, delicious drinks, and giving you the best real estate advice to get what you want with your home. As a busy realtor with over 20 years of experience, I'm out and about experiencing food and helping families with their homes. Join me as we cruise around visiting the best spots and talk and shop. Come for the food and drinks and stay for the real estate. Welcome to the FDR Show. Okay guys, so you're in for a complete treat. It's very rare that you can go into a market at the same time order from their kitchen and they cook everything for you. That's what's really so special about La Reina Markets is they have a full kitchen in the back. They're cooking literally everything they have in the store. And if you want some of the best tacos in town, this is what you come here for. I judge a place on their carnitas because that's just who I am. I love carnitas, and the honest truth, this big taco here filled to the brim. Look at these tortillas, all the fixings on it. Oh my God. That is pure heaven when it comes to tacos. The carnitas are soft, tender, super tasty. The tortillas aren't too overpowering. I mean, it just goes. By far one of my favorite tacos here are their carnitas. Now another specialty dish they do is tacos de chicharron. And chicharrones are the crunchy part, the skin, of course, fried. And not everybody does these tacos the way they do. They get them right out from their counter, put them on the taco as you saw. I love a good crunch, and this just does it on every single level. It's salty, it's tasty. The salsa's not too overpowering. This was the green salsa. The red salsa is nice and hot, and I enjoy a good hot salsa. What's nice is you come here for a quick lunch, grab tacos, go. You can also get whatever you want in their meat display for the big barbecue, the games, the parties, whatever it may be. They have all of your needs covered. You want fresh tortillas? They're doing it right in the back. Fresh pan, the whole bit. So check these guys out because they are hitting on all cylinders. And then for me, the finale is the burritos. This is a staple for Mexican food, just wrapping everything up, all the goodies in here, the rice, the beans, the guacamole, and of course I did it with carnitas. Stop it, this is so good. The tortilla's fresh and warm. The beans and the rice don't overcompensate with the carnita that's inside. They were kind enough to put both chilies and guacamole. I mean, it is just money, you guys. So, La Reina Markets, follow them on Instagram. Come down to their locations. You got Anaheim, where we're at. This is the original. And then they got an orange location. Visit both. Do yourself a favor and get some delicious Mexican food. Now let's talk about real estate. Open houses, you guys, was really a thing of the past. Today in the marketplace, if the realtor you're choosing to work with is pushing you doing open houses every weekend, it's most likely because they don't have a plan in place to get you great results. They're simply leveraging your home as a billboard so that they can get more opportunities and go sell other homes, not necessarily sell your property. So I'm not saying they don't work, but as far as to be effective for your house, would you rather spend your weekends at home or be gone and then just have a bunch of random people trampling through your property, not knowing if that's the one buyer or two that's gonna buy your home? So just be mindful. I'm not saying they don't work, I'm just saying it's a thing of the past. So if you're gonna hire an agent that's going to sell your property, make sure their marketing consists of far more than just open houses. If that's their only game plan, trust me, all you're doing is just helping them out. You're not helping yourself out with the property. There's far more other advantageous ways to market your home. If you'd like to see some of those, that's where I come in. You can call me, text me, and I'll be more than happy to show you our strategy that is selling our homes anywhere from 8 to 12%, way over the asking price, and you don't have to do an open house. You have your home to yourself every weekend, and ultimately we still sell it for a great price. So thanks for stopping by today. Come check out Reina Markets, and I appreciate you stopping by and enjoying the FDR show. Until our next adventure, take care. Hey, thanks for watching today's episode. If you enjoyed this show and you want to see more great foodie spots and learn some tips about real estate, hit the subscribe button below, smash that bell, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.